So hello guys, welcome back to this another brand new video. So in this video I will teach you how can you download your Zoom Cloud Meeting app in 2021 new versions. Okay guys, so here we go. At first you have to go in your Play Store, and after going in your Play Store you have to go for Charles Zoom Cloud Meetings. So here you have to go and you have to install your Zoom Cloud Meeting app. Okay guys, so this MB is 36.63 MB. It's not more. So I will let you this show. So guys, I hope that you can see this. It's going to be complete and it's installing. So after this I will show you in login. Okay guys, installing installing so guys, now it's came and now it's open. So after coming here, join meeting, sync up. If you have, so guys, if you have already this singing, or if you have used before in this Zoom app, so you can log in your account. So if you don't have, then you can sync up or you can sing in. Okay guys, you can log in new passport and new accounts for this Zoom app. Okay guys, so this how you have to do. And after login and after getting passport and everything, so after that you can use your Zoom app for meetings and all, for schools, for colleges meeting, for offices meeting. So this is the best for meetings. So guys, this is the video for today, and thanks for watching this video, and please don't forget to hit the like buttons and to subscribe this channel, and thanks for watching this video.